There are good guys, and there are bad guys. But why stop there when it's so much fun to blur the lines and play within the shades of grey?
Yes, and it's somewhere within those shades of grey that we find Boom Studios' new 4-issue miniseries, Hit. It's the 1950s in LA. Drug baron Mickey Cohen is weeks away from being released from prison, and the LAPD has empowered a secret group of police officers to hunt down and kill the city's worst criminals.
This is an idea that we've seen before in comics like Garth Ennis's Red Team or in movies like Gangster Squad.
Is that what that was about? I fell asleep halfway through. Bad film.
But yeah, regardless, LA in the 50s is a great place to have this kind of crime pulp story. We focus on Harvey Slater, a detective who is part of the LAPD's secret hit squad. He's sarcastic, he smokes too much, and he has a very short temper. All the ingredients for a classic crime noir anti-hero.
Absolutely, and Bryce Carlson really is hitting all of the noir highlights, isn't he? I mean, we've got compromised morality, we've got seedy bar rooms, we've even got a femme fatale thrown in to just move the story along.
Yeah, and Vanessa R. Del Rey is quite obviously at home within this genre. The use of contrast, line and shadow, casting even the heroes into a stark, menacing silhouette, brings to mind every Raymond Chandler movie you've ever seen.
Her art does remind me of some of Sean Phillips's work, maybe a bit more abstracted on the character models, but I think that works, especially in the action scenes.
All up, I really enjoyed this comic. I think anyone who enjoys Raymond Chandler or Dashiell Hammett or James Ellroy will really be able to get on board with this. Plus, it's kind of cool to know that it's inspired by true events. It might be worthwhile reading the afterword as a forward, because it just gives this comic a little bit more gravity. It's definitely a buy from me.
Yeah, look, I did like it, but I felt myself slightly distanced from the lead character. I mean, we start off the story with him executing some people.
True.
You know, noir hero or not, it'd be nice to see something in there that just kept us on board with him and carried us along with him. I mean, regardless, it is still a solid addition to the genre, and I'm giving it a borrow.
Awesome. Now, Evil Al, you've put me on the spotlight. It's your turn now. Who is your favourite villain? The one you most admire?
Okay, well, there's a lot of great guys out
There is.
there. You know, the Joker obviously springs instantly to mind, but when it comes down to it, when I look to a villain that I'm going to aspire to, I have to look at a combination. There has to be the scariness, there has to be the viciousness, there has to be some coolness as well.
Yep.
So I'm going to go with Skinner Sweet.
Ah, a bit of American Vampire.
Absolutely.
Excellent.
He's vicious, he's deadly, he's funny, he's suave, he's got the
well
whole
cool.
package. He's very cool, and he's my pick.
Good choice.